Welcome. Today, we're taking a quick practical look at how to set Gmail so your inbox shows important messages first with Priority Inbox, refreshed for 2026. If you're tired of hunting through everything to find what actually matters, this simple setup is a real time saver. First, open the Gmail app on your device. Once it's loaded, look to the upper left corner and tap the menu icon, which resembles three horizontal lines. This opens a side panel with all your Gmail options. Next, scroll down in the menu and select Settings. If you have more than one email account, tap on the specific account you want to adjust so the changes apply to the right mailbox. You'll see a list of configuration options for that account. Tap on Inbox Type. This is where Gmail lets you customize how messages are organized. You'll notice several layouts, but you're aiming for Priority Inbox. Choose Priority Inbox from the available options. With Priority Inbox enabled, Gmail will automatically classify your messages into sections such as important and unread, starred, and everything else. This helps you focus on what truly needs your attention without getting bogged down by newsletters and social updates in the same stream. A quick tip. If you'd like even more control, you can fine-tune which types of emails Gmail flags as important by training it with how you interact with messages. For example, open and respond to people you prioritize, and Gmail learns from that behavior to adjust future sorting. If you want to customize further, you can explore additional settings within Priority Inbox, such as adjusting the importance markers or deciding how many messages appear in each section. Play around with these options for a day or two to see how the sorting feels in real life. That's the core